Hey everyone, today let's see how to do NVR series. So in NVR series, all the pictures are in series. So look at the way how the first picture changes to become second one. The same thing happens this way and the same thing here, same thing here. So to do that, let's see what's happening from the first one to second one. I can see that there are 5 stars here and there are 4 and there are 2 and 1. So which means my third picture should have 3 stars. Only keep the options which have 3 stars and delete everything else. And then you look at the arrow is pointing up. I have the same arrow here and I got an extra arrow which is pointing down. And here I have 4 arrows and here I have 5 arrows. So I should have an option with 3 arrows here. So it's definitely not going to be D. Between A and E, look at them. So if one is pointing down, the other one is pointing up and pointing down. So in E option, all of them are pointing up. My answer is going to be A. In the second one, I see that there are stars at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My option should be the one with 5 stars. And the lines are horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. So I should have a lines horizontal. And if you look at the circles, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles, 4 circles, 3, 2. So my answer should be the one with 1 circle, which is C. D doesn't have any circle in that. If you look at the third one, this one looks a little bit tricky. If you see this to this, I see that these two have come to the right side, and there are 5 arrows here and there are 4 here, 3 here. So I know that from 3 to 4 I'm minusing 1 arrow, but they are getting rotated. To make it easier for myself, I'm checking these two first. Check what's happening to these two. I see that the first arrow is cancelled. I mean, it's not there, and the bottom arrow is not there, which means from here to here the bottom one deleted, and from here to here the top one, which comes here, at the bottom, this is deleted. So do the same thing. If I need to know for this, I need to skip one and check this. So the top one should be deleted and the bottom arrow should be deleted. I need to have only these two. So see the options which has the point here and an arrow pointing down. A is rotated. Yeah, B is going to be my answer. Not C, not D. E has 3. So B is my answer. So your homework questions are going to be these. Try them and comment down the answers below. Thank you. Bye-bye.